Greetings to all, welcome to Alpha Palliative Care Daily News. The Alpha Chailakra Centre's annual general meeting will be held this Saturday, 21st June, with various programs. The event, scheduled to begin at 10 a.m. at the Alpha Hall in Vengnellur, will be inaugurated by Chailakra MLA UR Pradeep. Centre President Gopi Chakkunnam will preside over the function, with Thalapilli Taluk Tahsildar Rajesh Marath as the chief guest. Secretary Gopinathan Nair and Treasurer Ajit C. Thanikkal will present various reports. The election of new office bearers will also take place at the same event, according to the organizers. Shibon Mohammad Sharif, a native of Kunnikode and an NRI who leads various businesses both in India and abroad, visited the Alpha Punallur Centre. He dedicated valuable time to observe and understand the centre's activities. Accompanied by his friend Muhammad Ziad, he was welcomed by Secretary Salim Kutti, Office Bearer Babuk Kuttan, Community Director Suresh Sridharan, and others. Medical Director Dr. Jose Babu, Physiotherapist Jeswin, Vision 2030 State Coordinator Anjit Kumar, and Kollam Community Development Officer Akshay Babu were also present. Shibon Mohammed, who had previously collaborated with Alpha, decided to serve as the centre's patron and provide monthly assistance. Alpha extends its best wishes and success to Shibon Mohammed and his company, Technomax Middle East Engineering LLC. The monthly activity review meeting of the Alpha Kollam Centre will be held this Saturday, 21st June, at 3 p.m. at the centre. The meeting, presided over by President Santosh Tangal, will be attended by Community Director Suresh Sridharan and Vision 2030 State Coordinator Anjit Kumar. Reports on the various activities conducted by the centre will be presented during the meeting. Future action plans will also be discussed, according to Secretary Bindu Sajan and Treasurer Sridevi. Certificates were distributed to the Arush Club members of Valapad Government Vocational Higher Secondary School for completing 30 hours of training. Panchayat member Ajay Ghosh inaugurated the event. PTA President Siraj presided over the meeting and inaugurated the Arush Club. Principal Cine, Community Welfare Officer Meghna Anil Kumar, SAPC State Coordinator Vijan Wilson, Thalikulam Link Centre President Shaji Chalisheri, and Arush Club in charge Savitri led the program. Around 80 students participated. This concludes the news. Jai Hind.